You can't even imagine the beauty that we've experienced here.
Every day's been a surprise, and every day's been beyond my expectations.
Words can't really even describe how beautiful it is, the feelings that it evokes just being here.
You're here in Antarctica with people that live and breathe this air.
Being around such avid photographers, it's kind of contagious.
The people that you're learning from are really some of the best in their field, from Arctic specialists, bird specialists, geologists.
The Muench pros have been outstanding. They know their stuff. They're friendly. They're willing to share.
They're very helpful. They're encouraging.
You're the first one that takes the pictures. You're the first one who gets the opportunity.
And I like that they're not always over your shoulder trying to make you do things the way they would have done it. They just guide you and give you recommendations.
I'm comparing this trip to all of the other ones I've had that are photo tours, and they're just the best.
Muench does everything. All you really got to do is pay your money, be where they need you to be at that time, and they take it from there.
The food, the hospitality, I don't think I've ever been pampered quite this much.
A lot of new friendships.
Everyone's helping everyone.
I think we've made some lifelong friends.
Everybody's been great.
Every bit of this experience has been beyond positive.
Everything's been 5-star.
I've had the opportunity to travel extensively throughout the world with many different groups, and the Muench group is just top-notch, and I couldn't recommend them more.
If someone was looking for a trip of a lifetime, a bucket list item, you have to come down here.
This has been by far the absolute best trip I've had ever.